morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna fix the map lights on this car and just kind of do a quick video, a little detailing on the map lights. Okay, so remember that tab right there and then that tab right there. So let's get to work on it. And then you can get it from here, that way. Okay guys, so now we're gonna do this right here. And then just be kind of careful here because you can break this pretty easily. And then from there, work your way down to these two right here. One, they're old, and there you go. Like I said, one, they're old, and then, yeah, they will snap, especially if they're older. And if they've been on the sun, these locking pieces will end up breaking. So, as you can see, this one kind of already cracked, so that's not cool. But yeah, look. I got it all, we made it almost all the way. This one cracked a little bit, but that's what I'm saying. Just be very careful removing.